Scones going in. Are you on scone patrol? She is on scone patrol.
Sure smells good.
These were very tricky. Oh man. Oh man.
Look at that, huh?
Look. Oh, smell that, huh? Okay, if these turn out, I will share the recipe.
Looks good.
You know. Oh my god. So good. How'd the bottom look? A little dark?
Just a little brown, but the problem is the wind was circling through here, and usually I keep the back to the wind, but the wind kept coming through into here, and then that cools it off, so you have to crank the temperature of flame, which,
yeah.
So it's just one of those things. I should have moved the stove out of this spot.
I think last time we baked here, we put it over on a rock, actually.
We did. I put it right up on that rock there, but.
So this is lemon blueberry scones. My secret is I use dried blueberries, not fresh and not frozen. I can fuel tomorrow.
Yeah.
If they last till tomorrow, I might have one for dessert. Ooh, some hot tea after dinner. We're making tacos too.
Yeah.
Taco
I
time.
have some hot tea with mine too.
Yeah, you will. All right, let's get these tacos rolling. You know what makes me happy? Tacos.
Tacos make you happy.
Tacos make me happy. Dave's a purist. He just likes the straight up meat, shredded lettuce. Doesn't need a bunch of junk, but I put a lot of stuff. I have olives and tomato and cheese and sour cream and shredded lettuce. And these are actually venison tacos, ground venison. So good. All right, I gotta dig in. I can't film and eat this at the same time. This is requiring both hands to go at it here. So, see y'all in the morning. All right, it's hiking time.
All I keep thinking about is a scone.
Yeah.
The reason I'm doing this hike.
Well, I might have sampled it last night. Might have. Pistol.
Cool spot.
She's yanking at me. She's raring to go. Yeah, that's an awesome spot. Well, we're planning on going up here, but it's completely overgrown, and I am afraid we would see a snake or two, so...
Or wouldn't see a snake or two, which
or,
is worse.
Yeah, wouldn't see. So we're just gonna make coffee here. Chill out. Pistol, she's helping. She knows there's green beans in the bag for her.
Stay away from my scone.
No, there is green beans in there. Are you my green bean queen? Coffee and scone. It does not get much better than that.
I don't know if I can hike without it anymore.
Pistol. Good girl. It's even pistol approved. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, girl. We're heading out of Sawtooth Canyon Campground. We have to do laundry today. We'll see if we get to that. I gotta run by a post office. I gotta... What else do we have to do?
Dump tanks.
Dump tanks.
Fill water.
Fill water. Let's not forget those things. Yeah, chore day, and then we're moving on. We gotta make our way towards Oregon.
Northbound.
So we're northbound today. Yep.
See how far we get. Okay.
Let's do it.
Filled up last night.
Time for an adventurous day. I'm excited. I just love being in the van.
Yeah, I love it when we're just like have a direction. We don't have to go a certain distance. We just want to start moving towards some place and then find a place to stay on the way without having to like plan and make reservations and be stuck on an agenda. We're just gonna go, and we've got a few places we're looking at online, and we'll make a decision when we get there.
Yeah.
I love that.
We'll do it.
Oh, what's this? There's a scone.
There's a scone. Scones and coffee. It's pretty much my favorite. I think I'm gonna have to make those. I said they were tea cookies. That's not what they are. They're Mexican wedding cookies.
I call them getting my belly cookies.
Yeah, what's really funny is somebody else, a friend of ours we met up with, also gave me cookies that same morning, but I ate them all and Dave didn't even get to try them, so. Snickerdoodles, which are pretty much my all-time favorite. I love snickerdoodles, ginger snaps, Mexican wedding cookies. I'm gonna try and make them.
Alright.
Alright, see you guys down the road. Laundry done, check. Car washed, check. Pistol fed, check.
Sun's out.
Sun's out. Now we gotta
Check.
put shorts back on. Where are we headed? We do have somewhere in mind. It's on the Allstays app. Colonel Allensworth State Historic Park Campground in Early-Mark, California.
North of Bakersfield.
Yes.
It looked interesting.
I didn't look at it.
$20, got a dump station of water, so we need to dump, we need water.
Sounds about right.
Do a campground.
Okay, come on, puppy. Yeah. You are so funny. She just sits on her booty like a human. I love this girl. Well, I love her. All right, let's head on down the road. We're still about an hour and a half out. Let's roll.
You staring at. All right. Established August 3rd, 1908, the town of Allensworth was the vision of Lieutenant Colonel Allen Allensworth. Born in 1842, Allensworth escaped slavery during the Civil War and joined the Union Navy. In 1886, he became the chaplain of the 24th Infantry Regiment, retiring in 1906 as the highest-ranking African-American officer in the U.S. Army. On June 30th, 1908, Colonel Allensworth, Professor William Payne, Dr. W.H. Peck, Harry Mitchell, and J.L. Palmer formed the California Colony and Home Promoting Association. They purchased land in this location to build the town of Allensworth, the only town in California founded, built, governed, and populated entirely by African Americans.
Huh.
Strange.
Cool. We'll have to walk over here and check out these old buildings. So there's a lot of buildings here.
It's like the whole town, they've kind of recreated it.
Yeah, so I think at the front of each of the buildings gives a little history about it, and then so I'll kind of flash to those signs, so if you're interested in reading that, you can just pause and read that, and then we'll just show you what the buildings look like. It's really interesting to be here and envision what it might have looked like.
Yeah, this was right here. It's crazy.
Yeah, back in its
This is just
heyday.
another example of these little off the beaten path things that you'd never expect to find.
No, it's crazy. So here's a bakery. Spoons fell from the sky. Look what happened last night. We were sitting here, a wind came. This landed right in our campsite. Dave sawed a piece off. It's gonna be really pretty.
Let's see. I've heard it's okay to carve with when it's green but it cracks real easy.
But this is California eucalyptus?
I think so.
Yeah.
So the parks guy came by and I said, hey, this fell from the tree. Can I cut some stuff off for spoons? He said, go for it. So I'm going for it.
It's so weird. Oh,
Some small spoons.
Yeah.
Trick's gonna be splitting it.
so pretty. So stay tuned for eucalyptus spoons on our website.
Let's hope anyway.
It might be a minute, but
Or
yeah.
if it even works.
Yeah, if it works, who knows? We'll keep you posted. Check out our Facebook page though, because sometimes we do post on there when we get something new up on the website, and also on Instagram, but mostly on Facebook. We've been posting over there about that. So check it out. Dave's gonna carve this log up, and we're heading on down the road. We're gonna be in Lodi tonight, I think, at a harvest host. So we'll meet you all down there.
Carry on.